Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. Before we dive in, let me just tell you that Verizon's 5G home internet promises ultra-fast speeds without cables or contracts. But does it actually deliver? Here's my honest review after testing it out in the real world. Getting started was surprisingly simple. Verizon ships you a plug-and-play router, no technician needed, setup took less than 10 minutes, and the mobile app walks you through everything. But signal strength depends heavily on whether you place the device close or, I don't know, where in the house do you place the device. I had to experiment a bit. The download speeds vary depending on the time of day. During off-peak hours, it can hit 300 Mbps, more than enough for streaming 4K, gaming, and remote work. But in the evenings, speeds can dip closer to 100 Mbps, and ping sometimes spikes. Not unusable, but noticeable if you're into online gaming or video calls. It's stable for the most part, but storms or heavy network traffic can affect performance. Also, if you live in a crowded urban area with lots of 5G users, expect congestion. It's not fiber, and Verizon doesn't really hide that. It's wireless after all. Now, there are two tiers, starting at around $50 a month. All taxes and fees included and no hidden costs. Plus, there are no contracts. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Honestly, it's a solid value for the flexibility that they offer. If you're fed up with traditional ISPs, live in a 5G covered area, and want an easy no-cable setup, it could be a great fit. But if you're a heavy gamer or someone who needs guaranteed uptime, you may want to stick to fiber or cable for now. So, is Verizon 5G home internet worth it? For casual users and streamers, yes. For power users, maybe not yet. Let me know an experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.